Why Jonathan is getting suspended?
So, before I start the story, if you're wondering what crippled means, crippled basically means when someone's spine is the shape of the S or a different shape. A different people are like this, but some people have like this or yeah. Before, so alright. So Jonathan and Jacob were discussing something. Zora jumps in the conversation, and then Jonathan said that you're always in the conversation. You're always in everyone's conversation, which is true. She's always in my conversation. When I'm trying to Jonathan said, "Why are you in people's conversation?" And she said that she's not in people's conversation. And then the entire class, we're all writing something. And when she says that, the entire class drops their pencil and say, "Yes, you do." And then
So everybody agreed.
everybody
That Zori always interfere in people's conversation.
Yes, she even interferes mine.
Okay.
And then she said, Jonathan should be jumping into people's business. And then, that's basically like an insult
For Jonathan.
for Jonathan.
So that's how Jonathan and Zori start fight.
They didn't fight, they were just fighting 2 words. And then Jonathan called Zora crippled.
Cripple.
Basically means the
I know.
the spine is
Huh.
S or something like that. Zora's spine's a S.
Zori's spine is S.
That's what she says.
That's what she said?
She said that she goes to Florida to get some surgery.
Okay.
What does she say? And she said that one of her hips are higher and one of her hips are heavier.
Oh no. That's sad.
And we asked her, is it possible for her to put both of her hips at the same level? She says no. Literally at playtime, she was literally running normally.
So why Jonathan is getting suspended? The question remains the
Because he
same.
called her crippled.
Because he called her crippled?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, she is a crippled.
No, Jonathan, you shouldn't say that.
Her spine's an S.
Jonas, when somebody is a cripple, they cannot walk, none at all.
That's what she says.
They can't
No.
move. They don't want pace. That is a cripple.
She
As
said.
long as they can move,
Cripple is, Jonas, cripple doesn't mean just the spine alone. Cripple doesn't have to do with the spine
She
alone.
said that Oh hi.
जमैका में अभी सब नए नोट चेंज हुए हैं, सब नए नोट अभी आए हैं प्रिंट होके, और आज से ही शुरू हुआ है, और आज ही नसीम बैंक से ही नोट लेके सारे के सारे नोट नकली लग रहे
Who's this guy?
हैं, है ना?
Ciara.
Who's Siago?
Edward Siaga.
Edward Siaga. So all the bills have 2 heroes now,
Except for 100.
except for 100.
This is what Marcus Garvey.
Just wicked and well, but
100, 200, 300, 400.
easy.
All right, how much I get? 8,100. How much you get?
I get 5,400. Now this is 50.
But did you notice one thing in this Jonas? In this new bill, all right, you know, a lot of people are blind, and
Oh,
so if you feel it here, all of them have a different emboss. It cannot be shown in a video, but then you can see. If you feel it, what the 1,000 bill, the dots is like round. It is embossed like round. And you see the $2,000 one, it have a different. I don't know. Video में तो नहीं दिखाई देगा. When you feel it, it's a triangle.
Whoa.
So you feel it. So once even if you're blind, even if so one can feel it and say, okay, this is triangle, that means this is 2,000.
No,
And even this one, the $5,000 one, it's let me feel it. Let me see.
Mommy.
Is a square. It's square.
So they put it up.
They emboss it square. You know, I just realized this is $50 one.
I'm gonna show you this.
$50 one have 6 dots,
It should be.
like a 6 dots,
I'm gonna take this upstairs.
like press on. It's like a press on.
Mommy, this is sign language.
Yeah, this is like a sign language. Yeah,
I'm gonna show you
this is $100 bill, and this is Okay, this is rectangle. This is, let me see how many dots. Oh, 10 dots. Okay, this is 10 dots and this is like vertical dots. So you see this is good for the sign language for blind people. So this new bill have this feature. All of them have a different sign. This is rectangle. This is 6 dots vertical.
Mommy, look. Mommy, this is how we communicated.
This is 5,000. This is square. This is $50 bill. This is, yeah, this is 6 dots.
6 dots.
2,000 bill have triangle. You feel it. You feel it.
Now look.
Yeah, you got to feel it. This one is round. The 1,001 is round. So all the bills have the sign language. For it's like for people who use sign language. ऐसे कौन गिनता है जोनस?
1,000 again.
Bank have a full of line, but
I do.
they are
Bank is full?
going to store. वापस पढ़ो.
ये $50 का कैट तो मेरे लिए है. तेरे डैडा को पता है कि मुझे नए नोट की कैट बहुत पसंद है, तो ये कैट तो मेरे लिए है और ये पैसे डैडा को वापस देने के हैं. ये कैट मेरा है, ये बाकी डैडा को वापस देने का है. गिव यू? अच्छा, this is mine. I'll give you your lunch money tomorrow out of this.
I'm saving it though.
Okay.
And then turn it into that.
No, Dada went to the bank and got the new money.
But did the bank change when you're going to take out money from the bank?
Bank does not change the old money.
Bank still has the old money,
Yes, it still have the same value.
so those two money are still
Yes.
here. Okay. Mommy, why do you have to give me this $50?
Why I have to give you this $50?
Yeah, couldn't you give me a regular $50?
Regular as in the old one?
Yeah.
Okay, this soon be a regular.
Junior, now they have the Junior, now they have the same. Junior, now both of them have the same value, but after 2 or 3 years, this one is gonna have this $50 value, but the other will have lots of value.
Yeah, I think that
You have to save it.
this will